Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Interesting topic today. Everybody keep asking me or want to ask me, Sir, when is my money going to double when I invest? There are two kinds of investors, traders, investors. I am not talking about traders. Traders are the people who get money from stock market. They may double the money, triple the money very fast. But lot of risk is there. But investors are those people who are in some job, profession, doctors, engineers, architects, advocates. They earn some money and save some money for future expenses and safety. They may use the money for children education, children marriage, or finally for retirement. My dear friends, when I'm talking about saving the money, investing the money can be invested into stock market, mutual funds, real estate, bank, post office, provident fund, insurance, and gold. So my dear friends, now I'm going to give you the details, but more details about the stock market, because large number of people who are seeing this video are my students who have taken the stock market 2 days workshop. They want to get more details about the stocks and how they multiply. Now I am going to keep in front of you a list of 20 different shares and how they have doubled and what's the period. For example, Asian Paint. The last doubling took place 3.5 years. Earlier to that, the doubling took place in 3 years. HDFC Bank, 4.5 years. In the last 4.5 years, HDFC has doubled its price. Earlier to that, it took 3.75 years. Titan, 3 years, 3.25 years. Infosys, 2.75, 8.5 years. So recently, Infosys became double in 2.75 years. But earlier to that, it took 8.5 years. Bajaj Finance, 2.5 years now. Earlier to that, 1.3 years only to become double. M&M, 10 years, 2 years. Maruti Suzuki, 4.5 years, 2 years. Eicher Motors, 6 years. Earlier, only 6 months, it doubled. Coal India, I just give an example, a leading share from Government of India, and then it is in the index also. And my dear friends, Coal India until now has not even doubled in so many years. People have invested huge amounts of money in the IPO. Ultratech Cement, 6.5 years, 2.75 years. Axis Bank, 6.5 years, 4.75 years. ONGC, doubling took place 18 years later. Tata Motors, 11 years doubling, and earlier to that, 6 years. Hindustan Unilever, now 3.25, earlier to that, 4 years. IndusInd Bank, 8.5 years, earlier to that, only 2 years. Divi's Lab, look at this, 1.5 years. In the last 1.5 years, it has doubled. Earlier to that, 1.75 years. Reliance Industries, look at how Reliance is performing so well now. Only in the last 6 months, it has doubled. Earlier to that, it took 3 years. Reddy's Lab, 1.75 years, 8.5 years. Nestle, 2.5 years, 6.75 years. TCS, the first doubling took place 3.25 years. Earlier to that, it took 4.5 years. Now, most important thing is the tax treatment. The money gained from different instruments will have different tax treatment. The gains you make from stock market is only taxable to the extent of 10% only. As I am reading the list, you will understand what others are giving. Gold price, we made the research, 5 years, gold has doubled, and earlier to that, it took 6 years to double. But gain is taxed at 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on your income slab. Post office takes 11 years to double. Bank FD 14 years to double. Real estate 5 to 7 years. See, I am just telling you in broad sense because real estate in the city is different. Real estate in a town is different. Real estate, if you buy some agricultural land, the appreciation is entirely different. If it is away from the main road, escalation is not high. So I'm just in general telling you 5 to 7 years. Mutual funds, again in general, 6 to 8 years. Stocks, if you take into consideration on an average 3 to 4 years, the stocks are doubling. Now, in fact, we have taken this account when the stock market is not doing well. If the corona was not there, by this time, probably the stock market would have gone to another peak. Money in the stock market is going to double in less than 3 years. I would have said like that. But now it has taken a little longer time. Now post office and bank deposits being taxed at 10, 20, 30%. And real estate, minimum is 20%, maximum is 30%. I don't know how many of you know, to make one video like this, it takes us more than half a day to 1 day. You know why? We have to do a lot of research, then we have to shoot the video, then it has to be edited, then we spend a lot of money in editing. The staff is being employed, it is outsourced. On an average, we spend 3 to 4,000 on each video. You may not understand that at all. You may think that Dr. Bharath Chandra is speaking, video is made. You don't understand the whole difficulty behind it. My dear friends, we make this video for your knowledge. It is absolutely free for you. But we want some appreciation from you. What we notice is if 2,000 people watch this video in the next 1 or 2 weeks, in how many people put like button? Only about 300. You are not going to lose 1 rupee by pressing the like button. You are not going to lose any money for commenting. You are not losing any money for sharing with large number of people. You can as well do it. At least we will be very happy. We will be motivated to do more videos so that we can educate you further on stock market and also on personality development. One more interesting thing. Other day I did a video on deep breathing, on personality development. And then more than 500, 600 people said, like the video. 5, 6 people are putting thumbs down. Though I don't like the video. I'm not able to understand. This is about practicing meditation and becoming a little spiritual. What is there to say I don't like it? Is it because by mistake you're pressing it, or you just want to make sure that rest of the people also follow you? My dear friends, please like liberally. At least we will get motivated to do more videos. And if you're not a member of the channel, become a member of the channel. Press that bell icon so that next time direct notification will come. Every day we are making 1 or 2 videos, personality development, stock market, etc. Don't miss it, and then send it to a large number of your friends, 50, 100 people, so that they also get educated and enjoy this wonderful education. My dear friends, let me wish you all the best. Bye-bye.